Okay, somebody else. Does this kid look mad or frustrated? Raise your hand. Isaac.
Frustrated.
Frustrated. Raise your hand if you got something that makes you frustrated. Blake. Blake? Oh, sorry, Blake. Sorry about that. What's something that makes you frustrated?
Sitting in the car while we go to Max's school.
Oh, sitting in carpool. Yes. Ray.
When somebody hits me. And when somebody punches me.
Yeah. You know what makes me frustrated sometimes?
What?
Technology.
What
Trying to figure out how to make this work so that you guys can see all of it and all the.
You know what makes me frustrated?
What?
Sitting in a long line.
That's when we need our patience pouches, aren't they? Don't we?
When standing in a very long line when I really want to go on something. To get popcorn too. Or snow cones.
Okay.
Mad.
You think that looks like mad?
No, it looks like embarrassed. No, that looks like
Well, our choices here are mad and frustrated.
frustrated.
Okay, can you guys make a frustrated face?
Mad.
Okay, we're gonna take a vote.
This is my juju face.
Okay, who votes for mad? Who votes for frustrated? You guys are right.
How you?
But a lot of the times, like when we're frustrated, we also might be mad. That's why they look alike, don't they?
Yeah.
Ugh, what about her?
Mad.
What do you notice about most of these frustrated? They're like pulling out their hair. Whereas mad is just like,
Yeah. And that's how we can tell it.